So now we'll work on problem 42 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're asked how many milliliters of 0.105 molar HCl are needed to titrate each of the following solutions to the equivalence point. So here we're given several situations. So the first one is 45.0 milliliters of 0.0950 molar NaOH. So first step here is to calculate the moles of base that's present, and that will tell us how many moles of acid we need to neutralize the base. So we multiply concentration by volume, and we get 4.28 times 10